Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You choose one product and one clear angle: value, performance, or comparison. Record a quick 30-60-second outline so you know your opening hook. This makes editing faster. Mount your phone or camera on a tripod, frame in 16:9, and position light at a 45-degree to avoid harsh shadows. Plug in a lavalier or use your phone mic and capture a 10 to 15 second room tone. Once done, you'll have consistent audio and a usable intro take. Now film the core. Record an intro, close-ups, a real-time demo, and a concise conclusion. Capture B-roll, 5 to 8 clips lasting 2 to 6 seconds each, from different angles to hide cuts and add polish. Explain each feature while demonstrating it so viewers see your claim in context. Make sure to state benefit, then show proof. Use short lines and pause slightly between points for easier edits. Once you have these elements, you'll move smoothly into a quick, focused edit. In editing, trim for rhythm. Lead with a hook, keep the demo tight to 60 to 90 seconds, and finish with a clear verdict and call to action. Layer 3 to 4 B-roll cuts to cover jump cuts, add captions for retention, and place product shots where you mention specs. Export at 1080p with H.264 for fast uploads, and craft a bold thumbnail that shows product and benefit. If audio is noisy, normalize and use a simple noise gate to restore clarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.